What a performance by Afghanistan! Batting first, they posted a strong 293 for 9. Ibrahim Zadran led the charge with 95, while Mohammad Nabi smashed a quick-fire 62 off 37 balls to finish big. Then came the destruction. Bilal Sami delivered a dream spell, 5 wickets for 33 runs, his maiden ODI 5 for. Rashid Khan joined the party with 3 for 12, spinning Bangladesh into trouble. Bangladesh were bowled out for just 93 runs, handing Afghanistan a massive 200-run win and a 3-0 series whitewash. Follow ThinkTrail for daily cricket reviews and motivation. Like, share and subscribe to fuel your journey.